Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to create a review request directly from other modules in Modern Requirements Next-Gen modules, like Baseline, Smart Docs, and Version Package, without navigating to the review module separately. Let's start with Baseline. Open the Baseline module from the Azure DevOps side panel and open any existing baseline. The baseline opens on the View tab, showing all work items with their ID, work item type, title, state, reverend ID, and reverend date. In the top toolbar, click the Review button. A dialog appears asking, do you want to create a review with the revisions stored in Baseline or with the latest revisions? Select Use Baseline Revisions if you want reviewers to assess the work items exactly as they were captured in this baseline snapshot. Select Use Latest Revisions if you want the review to reflect the most current state of those work items in Azure DevOps. Once you confirm, the standard review dialog opens preloaded with all the work items from this baseline. Enter a subject title for the review. Optionally click to add details to add a review message. Add more work items if needed by clicking +Add in the Choose Work Items section. Under Add Stakeholders, add your reviewers and approvers and assign roles if needed. Set the due date, area path, and tags under Additional Info. Configure any rules as needed. Click Preview to review before sending. Then click Send. The review request is created and all participants are notified by email. Now let's do the same from Smart Docs. Open Smart Docs from the Azure DevOps side panel and open any existing Smart Doc. In the top toolbar of the Smart Doc, click the Review button. The same review dialog opens, this time preloaded with the work items from your Smart Docs. Follow the same steps. Enter a subject, add stakeholders, configure additional info and rules, preview, and send. Finally, let's look at Version Package. Open Version Package from the Azure DevOps side panel and open any existing package. Click the Review button in the top toolbar. The Review dialog opens. Complete the review setup the same way and click Send to submit. This is a powerful workflow because it means you never have to leave your current module to initiate a formal review. Whether you are working in Baseline, Smart Docs, or Version Package, you can trigger a structured review request with all the relevant work items already loaded, saving time and ensuring nothing is missed. Thanks for watching.